Hi guys, SpooderCode here, and today I'm going to be showing you 12 tips to massively improve your Unity games. Tip number 1, always organize your folders. Otherwise, it's a complete mess. You want to do something more like this. See this? There's nice, neat folders, everything is, and otherwise it just gets confusing. So on to the next tip. Tip number 2, create a motto. This motto is what you stick to. So for all the art, say you pick your motto is silly, but it's just stupid, like my game Stupidiverse, download now. So all the art would be based off that idea. So you'd have googly eyes, tongues out, and then even the design of the game would be stupid to make it fit the motto. So it's handy for keeping the game in one piece. Tip number 3, stay consistent. Even if you're hating making this game, you really just want to quit, keep working at least just an hour a day. Eventually you'll get through the rough part and it'll be fun again. I really should learn this myself. I quit games way too often. Just keep working on it. It'll come together eventually. Tip number 4, make your job as easy as possible. Right now, you don't want this. You don't want to have 4 methods all to just do separate things. You want to make it a lot cleaner so that you can add easily, like this. It's literally one method, and you just put in a number. So much easier. Tip number 5, function first, looks later. When I first started my game Stupidiverse, it was literally 2 red circles moving around a blue background and white squares. And now it looks like this. It just makes it so much easier starting off. So trust me, this is a very important one. It's so handy. Tip number 6, use arrays as much as possible. See all these objects? We don't want that. We want this, a singular array of objects, and you can just pass them in the editor. It's so much easier. Tip number 7, steal. If you have an idea, someone's done it before and they've done it better, find that and make it your own. Obviously, you can't just completely copy, but someone has it and you need it. Tip number 8, market early. Even a YouTube channel or just finding some place to put your game up really helps. It helps people get excited for the game, and when you release it, you might actually get 1 or 2 people to buy it, which is the hope. Tip number 9, get playtesters as soon as possible. They'll show you what's wrong at your game, and you can fix it without having to upload the game to see. Very useful, and we're getting close to the end now. Finally, number 10, fix the bugs. You know there's a bug that you've just been leaving off. Fix it. It will make your game just feel so much nicer, because you don't have to be oh yeah, when you're playtesting this bug just happens. Yeah, you're just gonna ignore it. Fix it. You've been postponing it for too long. Bonus tip, like and subscribe.